white as snow. And everywhere that
Look at this. It is a white lobster.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh.
Look at this.
and play to see
This is a lemon
lamb
fish.
at school. And so the teacher turned it out. Turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Oh no!
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why
Look at
does
this.
the lamb love
It is a
Mary
catfish.
so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Bye-bye!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a
Look at
little
this.
lamb. Its
It is a
fleece
snow
was
white
white
fish.
as snow.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a molly fish.
Bye, have a great day.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is an angel fish.
Huh?
Look at this. It is a molly fish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
Look at this.
Mary went,
This is Nile
Mary
tilapia
went,
fish.
and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb
Good job.
was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see
Look at
a
this.
lamb at
It is a yellow fish.
And so the
Oh, no.
teacher turned it out, turned it out,
Du-du-du.
turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered and waited patiently
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
Aha!
Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Whoa!
Wee.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Yeah!
Look at this. This is a lemon fish.
Yes!
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
That Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that
Goodbye.
she went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it
Goodbye.
out till it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently.
Look at this.
about till
This is Nile
Mary
tilapia
appeared.
fish.
Bye bye.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves
Look at
the
this.
lamb, you
It
know,
is a jaguar cichlid fish.
lamb, you know. Why
Woohoo!
Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb.
Look at this.
little lamb,
It is a
little
zebrafish.
lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as
Yes!
snow.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Yeah!